So is your party, the NPP, ready now to come back to power?
We are ever ready to party way. Me see ye party way penny tradition will be any organa.
I wish I'm for aha Ghana SMTVGH. Message like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded will be notified. Wish I'm for make I want to say wait me up Juma Yawaha Ghana SMTVGH by donating to the number that is right below our screen. So to help us buy data bundle for uploads and all those things, our website idea blog. No, when we say a pro MPP blog, we don't get advertisements from advertisers and private companies. They are scared to associate themselves with the MPP. However, no, JD say our contribution to the coming back of MPP through this blog. Ebushan for MPP were in the process of restructuring and revitalizing the party altogether for victory in 2028. Now, in this process, no, there is a step also very important, and that is a step that is called reconciliation. Reconciliation, and it say, Sembia na say, Nema be a course or party nemo, Koforidua more or how be, and I say, Semba Kumyenubi has not gone down well with them. They would be able to bring them back on board for all of us to form a formidable force. And this being said, no, one of the main targets honorable in Japan. Bible for honorable Michael Ochrebefi, I think say we must pay critical attention to. Do we sincerely think, say, anytime election we have to be going through this reconciliation and say power be chow and all those things? Because ebusian for who election come 31st January. There's no one can say omu camp and throw shade back when I say nubi. Dr. Idu Chumkrat or Trobi. Kwabena Japan Trobi. Brandon Champon, honorable, or Trobi. Kennedy Johini Japan, Trobi. Last minute, I'll afraid Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia liar. So when who liar be at his under. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so Trobi. And the beauty of the game, that is politics. And he said, when you know, we won't tell us say politics. Okay? And everything is done, you push it behind you, we move forward. And then we have a big problem as a party and as a nation. Because Obinsu may occupy position as constituency chairman. Nani Bufu side na wabe contesting. But we are constituency chairman, and you won't wakunya. Alright, a political party, and to be a bit mere contested, a testing for popularity. So that's a political party. The only way to know so you're popular is by you contesting for something and by people voting for you. And so idea people who are for contesting after contesting I didn't say. I think we are not being fair to our own selves. We are not being fair to our own selves unless you say who a campaigner stand there and just sing the praises of your opponent. I know something in your campaign. And so let's go and listen to this conversation by Honorable and see, say, Asama Mekano. Do you also agree? Let us know in the comment section. Remember, say, wait, not donated to this platform to help us. The number is on down below. Thank you so much as you do it beautifully always. Kito being swa. Medase.
Say, I buy we car omodeme. It's a miankasa person. It's so much because we've done a lot of work at reasons
near the
see I think
almost a year, how going past a year.
Yeah. So that's about that.
Yeah, some more.
We believe sir time will tell. Let's
So constituency okay for say old man or
no, I make us so be any prince. Be any I mean, Obia MP.
Okay.
And the way I pamper over the years. I was telling them that me share that cancer. Okay, me trench okay na say me mbabebre means genuine bebre. Me jai be some months obi anye omo ba no monye. Na me amasa from masa ka say okay then we start here. Maybe I be the mama omo tetem. So
okay. So is your party, the NPP, ready now to come back to power?
We are ever ready to party way. Me see ye party way pe the tradition obi ani bi organa. Ye pe the fair dankwa buzi adombo tradition. Ye pe the party a friend matime ho organa what be that. And this boy from say well, you want say ye pe the party a friend matime ho. Ye pe the party matime ho for. It can say ye do mo for. What end is homodi. Ye pe the party can say you UP4. Obi ani bi ye pe. It ye odin from 1947 I take party of the UGCC and then in home my friend NLM. Emunsem bebre Samuel Akoto if it department emunsem na we are sorry ni echi ahemfo eto prison ne nkofo mobu ne binuma omone omone nkroma no efiad na se ne buzi ano ene dankwarum fiase no no mo fi party nim ko ebinum entimi en shom ho so matime ho ye say ye ya na say okay ene ye ne nkofo akankambom ye ne Nothing People's Party nkambom ye ne trans voter to Galand party ye ne gan dangbe ye ne be from United Party ebi do mo ntiase ye de ene be ko akodwane nkroma party ni nyanse mebre party na ngu ejina na so tradition na gu so ho ye wie UP ye ba say ye United Party na he say no Ankara ene kotuka abe coup 1966 coup ye tunkromegu cause according or the law preventing detention act aba or the teaching of 1958 and to be ntimi nkasa Ghana kotuka obey hero kotuka ene Ankara be a hero because Nkrumah turn Ghana into one party state. Sankofo we no ebe te Ghana echi ye wi no na buzi anu nya no omo exile omo dwane ye because PDA nka buzi atigana anka basi kwa wu dada ansana nka obe prime minister ko ka PDA be chi no PDA chi obi ad no ko buzi anu dwane ko ye SD do mo hwe chiri our parliament omo ne nkofo jato kale num ene Brahma ene when saying siketadam omo ye juma yenya opportunity yembra back to democratic government no buzia eba Ghana we boy esa sorry bi MPP na inana at that time UGC etane ne ho be NLM ebe UP no esa sorry be PP for the Progress Party buzia be di anim yantimi anko anim bebre champo to ya banguye ya bama mu ye koya 1979 yesa dane ye ho ye dane ye ho no ene be frɛ ho Popular Front Party no ena yero Victor Usu di anim nkofo be so mo ntiase be se yawo ye ntiase so de tie party no ena Pauli no kote o mo nkofo mo UNC imoro Adam at that time and now most popular person a man Nkrumah is for no or no court of banning from contested elections into because ye party yentie ho ase na nkofo ntiase gidi di Pauli till ho ekoye no imoro no oni obia ayana obakofa na ba say a diplomat onye popular onti politics Dr. Hilary Man onim politics on tiasie very inexperienced politician very unpopular yakofa na by e man ba be winning elections because yentie ho
because man kam ho amom
party na ngu 1992 yesa sori na so ya be frɛ MPP na MPP efiase no say UGC ngu ne da edane ho be NLM edane be ho UP edane ho be PP edane be PFP and MPP ne bigu obu akora be catcho bia or support party is a party we e wa hoden go form and party so nyane party no and we believe say we are so ready the spirit of the party is back what happened at the last elections no we elections no na party no the party so person odin kunim Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia no odin kunim ye call Thanksgiving service the spirit of togetherness ebaimu albeit 1 or 2 biama but who say obia were charge everybody who came there was prepared for victory in the coming elections and the party who munyane and me make a party for nyina say what for my sorry waka and the party no dynamics asa and this party na yidim no say ka fracture president Koforidua peso onam krom sisia na bisa obi last young person me call Tescom program and a Tescom secretary and organizer na bi and I want my friend am say na mo waka mo dambotwe no say one dambotwe
onim dambotwe oh my goodness
dambotwe onim no e je na ko na ba no omo fa din enya politics o omo de obeti ya adwuma no and na ye record a track record as a bind from President Koforidua to Akufo-Addo no it is unmatched. It cannot be matched. Obi be matched. And the we are ready for power and we believe by the grace of God MPP si kai nima bomu ye nanti ase ba e be win election
santi ase no mo benya
it is possible
o hwe de ekoya will you get that unity
well me ka say hwe party the pe political party bi ani ho a ultimate test the popularity yes say onam krom yes say Alaji Tanko or popular on go for pedo ye ni hu ye okay ye political party then you test popularity political party then they test
no election
by voting
election
and they call elections not do we winning or
not popular that's
very
all
simple. A political party can only test the popularity of its people or leaders through elections. And the Yako elections every obi a chena holding very free, fair elections.
Yeah.
Yeah, now obi a test na holding. Obi a obi on Chenya. Ebi a obi no obi a shiraka obi se bi bofu. Obi say. Menti adnase. Like it's a unye party ni. Political party no. Yeah, the elections pe any the separated men from the boys. You back to the table. You became boom near Juma.
Yes, if you don't move you must go back to them.
That is I know you answer then say and no by force. It is not written down in books.
So Obi and Ibu of Ubia
political party. What is the definition of political party? It is a group of people with the same ideas. Different.
Yeah.
However, your responsibility. Say yen back when win elections no or in who no or plain kabum eba but yet ya said ye party unity is very important because onipano his ego or her ego has been bruised was spend this guy boka in the asema tono tell the pano we here say obe crocodile kra obe cast of the good so one ba but me tell say sad na ye no enyen
you have to do that
because
ebusia for me chobi bia me gidi sa nyame adom ye nyina ye ho ye yo nyame hira se ya o team video me sro ya hwe video yi pa no wi ana wa sha ma nipa be yetan ama me why me pa chaw kokko akuafo ye da sore ya ye se ndisi aban ate omukoku no bo so free 3600 e de akọ 2500 ka me hwe yi oba ya obetu 3001 se ontimi ntomukura ka manenka 3001 why no obi dia odi tu mu no kura wasan yi afiri ho na obi kokare ni koko last year October November December besinde unyama no nisika wama no receipt actually 3600 was so ende osan se onfa sa receipt numra megi 2005 na anajoma na asenwe otibi wo kese NDC 4 episode mo dan kuafo te se simpapanyini na wote woni twakfa ne kon chrono bufita because our receipts in the books now from last year omo about that time na yeton 3600 no na that time no na price dey okay nti ende na price number from our santi so no adint na opese all the old new price in dey come on no old cocoa no ton no that time no e bia sabre kura waton so one ton so a na open one ton sisi kase na ye ka wuti cocoa so no na wankasa waketua so nanka wati so wajuma yefo waketua no bo amoteti office wo Cocobod ho na mudi sika nyafu no nanka mo susu moti waketua so na cocoa kwani no de wati ne sika so 1 million Ghana cedis 1 million new cedis, so that is titisika no 10 billion. Would you know as basic pay per annum? Nanka also what so. Uwohoi sa 1 million Ghana cedis 10 billion titisika no. Yewe ketuano. Uji hu clothing allowance, that is 25% of 10 billion. Say 2.5 billion clothing allowance in Utadia Obeshenkwa. Uji 2.5 billion. Nanka no so nanka what so. Security our health fee kekeno umomu 8,000 a month 8,000 a month nanka watiti ano so directors ni managing directors ni hwan for na omuji sika boom no eno dey want so kweni de kitwa bia oje e de akohwe ne yire ne mma de abiton di bia to nuranom ato bi adi nro egu koko no so mana so yie no e de aye koko no mu yie de bitua etuatua apafo ka no de mate so na wow benefits a wo gini nyina hwe na egusuru ho nyina ye rande abe Cocobod CEO ni benefits nko a ono nko a yusu cars miensa V8 miensa a month bia buy man fuel 3,000 enti cars miensa no 9,000 koko kiafo hen na boso ba ko bitumi nya sasika no na what your music as well wo de ene de eno de kaprekura wonti mfiri so ne yete ho Ghana no na so akuafo na wo ka omuduebo ebi mu wo ho because o mu ye ndisi chairman ndisi we nti wo ka na ogusu defend e na bono na akofom fuel prices call wiase fom na eno ti Ghana so akofom no ndisi fo be ka kiro se wiase na fuel bo akosoro so o mu ka kiro so mo na atiti fuel so womu ka kiro so mo na atiti fuel so na se Cocobod so akofom a ada no de mo nyimfa we ni akwa akuduru no NDC for ye kaso mo ya zan ya na montiase ene da ho no wo ye obi a wo da so support NDC na wo ye kuani a na me hu ne ha wadwene because aban we apu sa no mo we bi asida kufo time bisi akufo ado time bisi atambe time bisi obi